Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zane here. If you are diving into the Amazon marketplace in 2025, you will know that choosing the right product research tool is a real struggle. Today, we will talk about what might be the best Amazon FBA product research tool this 2025, VOC AI. I'll break down its features, pricing, pros and cons, and give you a hands-on tutorial. So stick around till the end to see if it is worth your time and money. If you want to try VOC AI yourself, feel free to use the link down below in the description to get 10% discount. And for now, let's get right into it. What is VOC AI? Now, you may ask yourself, what exactly is VOC AI? VOC AI stands for Voice of Customer Artificial Intelligence, and it is one of the newest tools that combines natural language processing, competitor insights, and real Amazon buyer feedback to help you find profitable products to sell. And instead of relying on search volumes or sales data, VOC AI pulls real customer reviews, Q&A data, and emotional sentiment analysis, giving you a deeper look into what customers really want and what is missing in the market. That means you are not just chasing trends, you are solving actual customer pain points. The key features. Now let's go over the core features that VOC AI offers. Number one, you have customer voice mining. This feature analyzes thousands of product reviews in seconds to tell you what buyers like, hate, and wish for. Feature number two is the competitor breakdown. You can input an SIN and see a detailed breakdown of competitor weaknesses, pricing modules, and ratings trends. Feature number three, opportunity score. VOC AI gives each product a score based on unmet customer demand and market saturation, and more features. But for now, let me show you a small tutorial on how you can actually use VOC AI. Now I have signed in using my account, and once you open VOC AI, you will see this interface. Here on the left side, you have some tools like review analysis, market insight, keyword analysis, negative review detector, and more. And first, let me introduce the tools. And here in the tools section, you will find many tools that are useful, like the AI listing, FBA calculator, Shopify stores list, so that you can use all these tools in order to simplify your work. And now let me give you an example. I will go to review analysis. Then here I will choose the marketplace, which here in my case is UK, for example. And here you should enter the keyword or SIN to generate a report. So now I will simply choose a specific product as an example. And for now, I will select a keyword, just for example, hit the first option, then search for it. And here it gives you the results. Now you can check the number of results that you want to compare between. So I'll simply choose between them like this. And here on the left side, it tells you exactly how many selected products that you have. And here in my case, I have only 7. You can even use filters. You can filter by price, ratings count, BSR, then apply filters. And you need to make sure that the products that you have selected are relevant to your keyword, because some of these products may not be the product that you are searching for, but it has the same keyword. So simply I'll select some keywords and do the AI analyze. Let's select this one and this one. Now I have selected 3. Now click on AI analyze. It will take a couple of seconds, and down below right here, it tells you exactly how much time will it take or the percentage of progress. Now, after finishing, you can simply click on the product. Then here you can see the customer insights, the competitive analysis between the 3 products. Here you have the title of the product and the image, in addition to the reviews to the product. You can see here more reviews of some customers. And when we get back to customer insights, you can see some other subcategories, including the customer profile and the usage scenario. What do they use this product for? So you can pick some keywords from this list right here. You can see also the rating optimization. And here on the left side, it can tell you exactly what are the disadvantages of the keywords. So here we can see that the key is malfunctioning, for example, and on the right side, you can see the advantages of this product. So here it tells that great lighting, high quality keyboard. And when we scroll down more, you can see exactly the percentage of negative feedback and the percentage of positive feedback, and why actually it has this positive or negative feedback according to the keywords that the customers left in their review. When you scroll down more, you can see the buyer's motivation and why they actually purchased this product. And beside each percentage, it tells you exactly the reason. And down below here, it gives you an AI summary about this product. When you scroll more, you can get the customer expectations and finally the insights. Now, I forgot to tell you that these analyses are for the past 2 years. So you can change between past 2 years to past year, for example, or the past 3 months. And on the top here, it tells you exactly who buys this product, when do customers buy this product or these products on the top right here. Now, that is not all. Now, let me show you another tool here, which is Market Insight. You pick the marketplace from here, and after that, you pick any product that you want to analyze. Let me show you an example. Let's say this wireless charger, for example. It tells you many details about the product, including the colors, the charging compatibility, for example, charging indicator, charging speed, and more details about each product with these charts displayed right here. So you can know more and more about the product. You can go to market analysis and see all the related data, including the monthly sales, the current period sales, average price, average ratings. And when you scroll down a little bit, you will see here other brand comparison. So you can check some other products that do the same function. And when going to product details, you can see all the ASINs and all the variations of the product. You can even use the AI to image all of these values by simply click on AI text to image. And now we can check all these options right here. And after setting them all, you can simply click on create. After that, it will take some time. Then voila, it will show you the product exactly that has the same details that you have entered. Now, another key feature to compare is the keyword analysis. If you want to check how competitive is this keyword, you can check this tool. You can choose between Amazon and Google and choose the marketplace. So here in my case, let me choose France, for example, and you should pick the time. So I'll use last 30 days, for example, and I will type here iPhone, for example, and I'll choose iPhone charger. And it tells me exactly the other keywords that you can actually use in order to find the same product with a keyword related to the keyword that you have entered before. It tells you exactly the analytics of each keyword so that you can choose which one you are going to target. You can select also all the keywords and do some analysis to it. By clicking on Analyze, it will take some time. After the loading, here you can see the attribute classification and see exactly the word frequency. Is it for the brand or the user or the size, and the search volume and the purchase volume. When you scroll down more, you can see the attribute breakdown, the keyword cloud, and here it tells you exactly how many keywords you have. And when you hover over each keyword, it will tell exactly the amount of search volume. And of course, the bigger the text, the more the search volume. You can even see the purchase volume and the word frequency, which is more frequency. And very nice integration from VOC AI to put it in this attractive manner. It looks like a cloud. So this is a nice one from them. You can also see more and more details about each keyword and the rankings of them. You can even scroll like this and see more and more data. And in fact, you can see more than one page for each, showing you multiple keywords so that you know all the keywords that you can use when you are listing your product. And when you get back here to attribute breakdown, you can simply click on trend and you can see the search volume for each product right here. You can see here the color and the graph. And when you hover over the graph, it will tell you exactly the search volume over the specific time that we are in right here. You can even scroll this like this and see how exactly does these keywords perform over time. And here are some variations that you can actually get for the product that has the same keyword. And that was a brief tutorial about VOC AI. I hope you get the benefit of this video. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have got questions or want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck finding your next winning product.